All right, we are in the Powerboost, and in so many ways, this truck is like the electric F-150 Lightning truck, because I'm in electric drive right now, so it has a very similar feel in that aspect, which is pretty neat. A lot of the YouTubers are watching my channel. They're weighing in. I'm not such a lead foot. I'll get that 23 miles per gallon. Okay, that's good to know. That's encouraging. But his Powerboost, even without the fuel economy, it's just such a great driving truck. And at the end of the day, if I have to make the choice between a Lightning truck or the Powerboost, it's the Powerboost, because the Lightning truck isn't going to be able to satisfy all of my needs. It's always going to be a challenge. It's always that electrical, charging challenge. And it's always about the towing capability. It's always about, if I want to go to Florida or Tennessee, it's always going to be more of a challenge. And on the, as far as the expenses, I've talked about this in other videos, it's going to be more expensive to drive the Lightning truck to long distance than it's going to be to drive this hybrid. Yeah, some people are like, no way. Yes, it'll be every bit as expensive, probably more expensive with today's fuel prices. If you're buying $3 gas, this thing will run on $3.87 octane fuel, then it's going to outdo that electric truck on going to charging stations and paying the kilowatt fees. And you're going to have to stay over in a hotel to go to Florida. So there's no way that the electric truck outdoes this on long distance. Going to Tennessee, it's just going to be more about you're spending more for the energy. And borderline in that's a fine line, because it's not that. It's like 350 miles, so you're gonna recharge one time. So it really wouldn't be that radical in that aspect. But then I had to spend on my own $600 of putting in electrical in my mother-in-law's house to charge that at her home. So if you factor how many times you drive down to that location over time to get yourself reimbursed for $600 worth of and that was me doing everything, and that's somebody else. If I would have hired an electrical contractor, that'd have been a $2,000 bill easily $2,000 bill. So for the average person, yeah, you're not really ahead. You're not ahead. And that's why I like to make these videos. And that's why I bought an F-150 Lightning truck. That's why I bought a Mustang Mach-E, because I think that the people like me that aren't the green tree hugging individual, I'm just going to tell you the way it is. And the way it is, the ICE is winning in so many aspects, but yet the green agenda wants to convince you otherwise. Hey, I got the kid here with me on the dad and daughter work day out here taking care of things. Incredible how 38 degrees out. We're all bundled up. I mean, we're all bundled up in our nice heavy jackets because it's cold up here. And just a week ago, even 2 weeks ago, it was like balmy and nice. You would have thought that the winter months were over, but they're not. So yeah, it's just the ongoing secretive. Can I disclose the secrets and the truths of the electric vehicles without getting tarnished? Can I?